Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, do not forget to hit like, share and subscribe to my channel. So before starting the video guys, I wanted to include a quick disclaimer into the video that guys, your hair type and my hair type isn't the same. So what I have been using has suited my hair. So yes, so this is my hair care and it may not suit your hair. So please do buy small packets if you want to follow this hair care routine. And yes guys, I changed my hair care routine a lot because I use a lot of products. So I wanted to settle into one hair care routine and then show it to people because it was highly suggested, like please do your hair care routine, we want to see your hair care routine and all of that. So I wanted to follow one hair care routine and then I would show that it has been working for me right now. So yes, I am showing it to you people right now. So yeah, I have been also facing a lot of hair fall issues and a lot of you ask what to do for hair fall issues and all of that. So today I will be sharing also that what I do to stop my breakage of hair fall issues, dandruff issues and all of that, because in winter even my hair is very weak and it falls like nobody's business. So yes guys, and I do a lot of styling of my hair, so I really take good care of my hair. So in that way I do straightening, I do curling onto my hair, I do waves. So guys, yeah, so we need to keep all of that in mind. Yeah, so in no particular order, let's get started what my hair care routine looks like. So yes guys, I have a lot of serum and I will give you a lot of options to use, like what you can use. So the first is I'm starting off with serums. So the L'Oreal Paris Smooth Intense Instant Smoothing Serum. So this is how it looks like. This is and it is enriched with argan oil. This is for unmanageable and dry hair. If you're somebody who faces issues like me of dry hair, then this will be your bae. This is a very nice serum, you guys. This is how it looks from inside. This is very nice. You just need a teensy amount of it and you apply it and leave it as you use serums. Yeah. So do let me know guys if you want any in-depth review of any of these products that I use. So the next serum is, I already have an in-depth review of this onto my channel. This is my third or fourth bottle, I don't know. I have been loving this since ever since I have got this. Like this is such a nice serum, you guys. I just can't get over this. This is so nice. This is the Strix Professional VITA Rich Gloss Hair Serum enriched with macadamia oil and vitamin E. So this is so nice guys. This is so nice. This suited my hair so well. I use it like every other day, every single or every alternative day I need to use this. And this is one of my holy grail hair products. So this is one. Okay, so there is another. I don't know whether to include this into serums, but this is the Pantene Pro-V oil replacement. I know this is a sort of a oil replacement, but this is another hair product that I use. I even have an in-depth review of this onto my channel. You can go check it out into my channel. And yes, so this is also a very nice formula. You can you can use it before your shampoo or after your shampoo or before styling your hair. So this is basically a multi-purpose or sort of a cream that really takes care of your frizz and it tames down your frizz and all of that. Yes, so the next one I have this Parachute Coconut Creme Oil. So this is basically does the same job as this one, as I said. So you can buy any one of them whichever suits your hair. So yeah, so this actually does the same thing. This is just a replacement of oil. When you don't have time, you just use this. Yeah, and I used the smaller version of this and I was planning to buy a bigger version of it. So yes, so another serum that I have, you guys, is the Leave-On Shake and Spray Serum Express Salon Finish. So this is how it looks, and I'll give you an inside view how it looks from the inside. So yeah, so this is basically a shake and spray serum and I have used it like once or twice I have used it. Basically there's a white sort of a portion and there's a pink portion and you need to shake it to get that pink solution onto your hair. So this should be used for non-shampoo days when you don't have time, you want that instant shine on your hair, so you can use this. So this is I basically liked it, but I like the Leave-On, the original Leave-On serum the most. But this is also a so-so product. I don't know whether I will buy it again or not, but yeah, I like it. This can be used for your non-shampoo days. But yeah, again then dry shampoos are there. I will prefer dry shampoos over this because dry shampoos are a better alternative other than using this. So yes, I guess I'm done with my serums. Okay, so some of you asked me to share a hair mask. So a hair mask is that I have been using the Himalaya anti-hair fall. That one is very good, that really took care of the hair fall. But yeah, so this does have parabens, so I don't know whether to use it or whether not to use it. The decision completely rests with you people, that you want to use it or you won't. But I have recently got the protein hair cream, and even this gives you a lot of shine to your hair. I really like this cream as well. I use it, I leave it on for 1 hour before my shampoo, and yeah, so I'll just use it from my scalp to my roots, from my root tips to the scalp, and what I'm saying, I use it from my scalp to the ends of my hair. So yeah, I really like this one as well. So yes guys, and also yeah, also I use a setting spray, set and skip spray, set and keep spray extreme hold. Okay, so this is the Gatsby spray. Yeah, so I use this to maintain when I style my hair. I just spray it all over, and I do have dry shampoos. I use the Bee Blend dry shampoos, but I don't have it with me right now because I finished 2 of the variants. So yeah, I don't have it with me right now. Yeah, so like moving on to hair oils. So in no particular order, I don't like to change my hair oils, and I'm not a hair oil person at all. I don't get time to put on hair oils. So I really like the Dr. Batra's hair oil, which is enriched with JOJOBA. This is how it looks. Yeah, so you can see I have used it this much. And another one is the BAJAJ ALMOND drop. That is a non-sticky hair oil, 300% vitamin E. So yeah, this really suits my hair again. I really like this one because this suits my hair. And off lately I have bought this one, which is the Neha Naturals EXTRACARE hair fall control oil. Since again I told you, because I have a lot of hair fall, like I have a lot of hair fall issues, so I have this, the Neha Naturals EXTRACARE hair fall control oil with active seeds. Yes, so this has so I really like this unique idea of putting seeds over here onto the cap. So this is really nice, you guys, that you put seeds onto it. Like this really works, and it has, okay, so they give you a small leaflet sort of a thing attached to it, so you can just read like which seeds you're getting in here. So I'll just quickly take you through all. You have methi, which straightens the hair, sorry. You have sarso, which helps hair growth and conditions the hair. And then you have Loki, which reduces hair fall. You have Kalonji, which nourishes your hair and reduces hair fall. You have Peel, which promotes hair growth. Yeah, so these are the products. Yeah, these are the seeds you get in here. Yeah, these are the seeds you get in here. Even this is a very good oil for your hair fall issues. If you're facing hair fall issues, a lot of you ask me, if you're facing hair fall issues, a lot of you ask me how to stop and fight with hair fall. Like hair fall is a really bad issue. I can understand, because yeah, so you can definitely give it a shot. From first wash itself you can understand like that how much this works. And ever since I've got it, I have been using this. This is a very nice product. Yeah, so I'm giving all these alternate choices. You don't have to buy all of this, you can buy any one of it. Like yeah, so next up, going into shampoos. Even I don't change my shampoos a lot. So yes, of lately I have been using the Garnier Ultra Blends anti-hair fall shampoo. This is how it looks. This is enriched with royal jelly and lavender for breaking hair and for prone to fall. It also claims to straighten your hair and reduces hair fall. This doesn't straighten your hair as far as I know, but this has really suited my hair. Like I really like this. Yeah, so one bottle will last you for 1 month, I guess. Yes, so this is a very nice. If you're facing again hair fall issues, then you can definitely go for this one. And my all-time holy grail product is the Matrix BIOLAGE Ultra Hydra Source Aloe Hydrating Shampoo. This is for very dry hair and it contains no paraben. This is how the product looks like. Product of lately I bought is the Smooth Tooth Camellia Smoothing Shampoo for frizzy hair. You can see my hair is a lot frizzy. So, and today is the second day of my shampoo, and I know I have got no life in my hair right now. I can just see that onto the screen of my camera. Yes, so yeah, so this is how it looks like, and it smells divine, you guys. You get that parlor like smell, that salon like smell that you want. You just get into these shampoos. I will highly recommend I will highly recommend the Matrix BIOLAGE range. This range is amazing, you guys. I have been using this for 5 to 6 years. I don't experiment a lot with my shampoos, as I said. I also use the Nile anti-hair fall shampoo. I don't have it with me right now, but that is also very nice shampoo. And for conditioner, I use the TRESemmé Expert Selection New Baltic Botanique. Sorry, that is. I also for conditioner use the TRESemmé Expert Selection Botanique conditioner. This is from the Botanique range. This is how it looks. I use this one for my conditioning. I don't experiment with my shampoos and conditioners. Like, yeah, the Botanique range of the TRESemmé is very good, so I use that one. So yes guys, this is how my hair care looks, and I shampoo my hair every 2 days. I have long hair, so it gets messy and sticky and dirty it gets like in no time. So yes, so do let me know in the comment section if you want to see any in-depth review of any of the products. So I would be glad to do that, because I have been using it personally, and I have been benefited with all of these products that today I showed into the video. So do let me know if you use any of these products as well, if anything has benefited you as well. So yes guys.